We came to our hotel, Savoy Resort and Spa in Seychelles. This is our room, a big bed, an extra bed they provided for free for Daniel. And here we have the big bathtub and two sinks and a shower. And the best here is the view. Can you show the view at the balcony?
Yeah, there is the view, and I'm going to show you how this umbrella looks.
And we have a mountain view.
And look, there is the umbrella.
And we have an umbrella. Daniel, is it raining? Oh, it just started raining heavily.
It's called the pour when it's raining heavily.
It's pour.
It's pour.
Just a minute, I'll give you a straw.
Thank you. This is the island called Mahe, the biggest island at Seychelles, and we are staying at the hotel that is called Savoy Resort, which is over there. And we'll be staying here for 7 nights, so let's hope that we'll explore a lot. And this is a really, really beautiful, beautiful island. Just look. We speak English, French, and then our motherland, which is Creole.
It's similar to French.
Very close. Let's go check. It's day 2 of our trip to Seychelles. And we took a full day tour today. So the first stop is the capital of Seychelles, Victoria. And as you can see behind me over there, that's the Hindu temple that we're gonna visit as well. Seychelles used to be a colony of England, which is why the wheel is on the right side. And they also used to be a colony of France, which is why their language, Creole, is very much similar to French. This is the viewpoint. That's the viewpoint. Now we are at the Botanic Garden near Victoria. The ticket price to get in is 150 rupees for an adult. Kids go free. Let's go check. Give it.
Because, Daddy, I want
So
to.
we are at this park and they have this huge turtle. Look, you can feed it.
You feed it wherever you want.
You can pat it, scratch their necks, they like it.
So cool.
See? Feed. Help me feed with this. Come here. You come here.
Mommy, can you feed them? So the Botanic Garden is a very cool place to go. A lot of greenery, like jungle around, and the main attraction here are the tortoises that you can feed and you can touch and you can pet them. Our next stop is Copolia Trail. It's a 1.5 kilometer trail with 400 meters elevation. So let's go check this one as well. How do you like it, Mommy?
I like it very much. It's like so adventurous, walking in the jungles.
Yeah, just real jungles. Daniel, do you think there are tigers here?
No.
No? Why do you think so?
Because the man.
There what?
Because the man said.
Ah, that man said that there are no? Okay. Go, go, go. We are almost at the top, so this track leads to the top, to the observation, so-called observation deck, and from here we get all this view around us. Sometimes it's a little bit steep, you have to climb some rocks, but Daniel, how did you like it? Did you manage well?
Yes.
Yeah, so he managed. It's a little bit hard with kids. Without kids, it's perfectly fine. But it's definitely a worse to go, especially those walking in those jungles. So we reached the top over there. That's the
Green roof is the top.
yeah, that's the end of this trail. Did you like it? And you can see all this beauty from the top. Made another stop. This is a tea factory, and it also has the
Let's
quite a nice view. So this is the entrance to the tea factory. Daniel is leading the way. And now we stopped at the beach on the way, probably back to the hotel. Nice looking beach. Nice spot under the tree. And I believe the final destination for today is Anse Royal Beach.